In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show a Zoom meeting on YouTube Live. By the end, you'll know exactly how to enable the right setting in Zoom and start streaming your meeting straight to your YouTube audience with just a couple of clicks. We'll begin in a web browser, not the Zoom desktop app. Go to the Zoom web portal and sign in with the account that will host the meeting. It's best to do this on a computer, and make sure you have host privileges for the meeting you plan to stream. If you're using a work or school account, note that your admin might control streaming permissions. Once you're signed in, open Settings, then scroll to the In Meeting, Advanced section. This is where Zoom keeps features that go beyond the basics. Take your time to find it. It's typically near the bottom of the meeting settings list. Look for the option called Allow Live Streaming Meetings and turn it on. This switch tells Zoom that you want meetings to be allowed to broadcast to external platforms. If you see the option grayed out, you may need an admin to enable it at the account level, so that's something to check with your organization. Under that same setting, you'll see a list of platforms. Check YouTube, and then click Save. This ensures that YouTube appears as one of your live streaming choices inside your meetings. You can leave other platforms unchecked if you don't plan to use them. Now open the Zoom desktop app and start your meeting as the host. Confirm your audio and video are working and make sure anything you plan to share is ready. If you're streaming other participants, get their consent ahead of time and remind everyone that the session will be public or at least externally viewable. Inside the meeting controls, click More, the button with the 3 dots, and choose Live on YouTube. Zoom will open a browser window where you may be asked to sign in to your Google account and grant Zoom permission to stream to your channel. You'll be prompted to set a title, choose a privacy level, public, unlisted, or private, and pick the right channel if you manage more than one. Confirm those details, and YouTube will prepare the stream. Expect a short delay before the broadcast goes live. While streaming, keep an eye on your internet connection. Speak clearly, and remember there's typically a brief latency on YouTube. When you're done, stop the live stream from the Zoom meeting controls and end the meeting as usual. That's it. You've successfully shown a Zoom meeting on YouTube Live.